How to set a stop loss on Robinhood. Worried about losing money on a stock in Robinhood? Stop loss orders can help. This video shows you how to set one up in under 90 seconds. Open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to replace a stop loss order on. Look for the trade up button and tap it. On the order menu, swipe to stop limit. It might also be under more. This lets you set a stop price and a limit price. The stop price is where you want the order to be triggered if the stock price falls. Enter that amount. The limit price is the maximum price you're willing to pay or minimum you'll accept for selling. When the stop is triggered, it helps control potential losses. Remember, the stop price isn't guaranteed. Market fluctuations might execute the sell order at a slightly different price. Once you've entered your stop price and limit price, review the order details and tap Review Order. Double check everything looks good, then submit the order. Robinhood will confirm your stop loss order. Now, if the stock price falls and reaches your stop price, the order will be triggered and your shares will be automatically sold at the limit price, or better if market conditions allow. That's it. Stop loss orders can help you manage risk in your Robinhood trades. Remember, they don't guarantee a specific sell price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Robinhood tips.